Hello! In front of me I have GARMIN vivofit Junior 3 and I'm gonna show you how to track the amounts of steps taken on this watch. You can track the amount of steps taken on this watch in two ways. The first method is to do it on the watch, and the second way is to do it through the phone application if your watch is paired with a phone. First I'm gonna show you how to do it on the watch. Do it on the watch, simply press the sign button to open the, or rather to scroll through the menu of widgets, and one of them should look like this. This is the steps widget, and here we have the amounts of steps taken. To check it on the app, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Junior application, and once the devices are paired, we can open the Junior app. In the app, we need to select the profile our watch is paired with or connected with. And once you select the profile, you can tap on steps, and here we have the step statistics. And we have much more info than on the watch. We can check the daily statistics, week, 4 weeks, and 12 months. And we have quite more info about the amounts of steps taken. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the app. And that's how you check the amounts of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.